LRQA's training is designed around you and your organisation, and it's because of this that we offer a variety of training modes to suit your every need. Our most popular of these is our virtual classroom, and in these live training sessions you get the benefits of real-time interactions with tutors and peers together with the flexibility and sustainability of doing the training remotely. If you want to learn at your own pace wherever you want, then LRQA's e-learning platform is entirely online and self-directed, using video, interactive exercises and quizzes. For those of you that prefer in-person training, LRQA has classroom training in an interactive group environment that supports the same tutor support, collaboration and idea generation that you get in the virtual classrooms. Maybe you prefer a mixture of both styles. LRQA offers a blended option that combines e-learning and tutor-led training as a practical way to optimize your experience. LRQA is also proud to offer customized training, which is designed to meet the individual requirements of your business, using your case studies to address the unique risks and challenges your business might face. Whether delivered in person, online, or with a mixture of both, LRQA provides the knowledge, expertise and skills your people need to implement best practices and support professional growth. It's your future. Let's shape it together.